Greetings from Norway, which is currently looking like this. Today I've got something really exciting to show you. First, I just want to say thanks to everyone who keeps commenting, and I must say the feedback over the last few weeks have just been extraordinary, overwhelming. So, and some of you have suggested that I deserve like a farm in Zimbabwe. I'm like, thank you, but I'm really questioning my farming skills. And yeah, I've been receiving a lot of song requests, and I'm adding them all to my playlist so I can listen and hopefully learn them one day and play them in a video. What else? I've also received questions like, how did I start playing Sungura? And there's a long story to that. But for now I will give you a link in the description. You'll find a link from 263 Chat, who made an interview with me some time back. Alright, that's enough talk. Let's get started. Oh, and look at this guy. Alright, I made it to the studio. It's much warmer here. What you're gonna see today is pretty cool. It's a collaboration with me and a guitar player in Zim. His name is Matthew Ngorima. And my friend Tinash Makura sent me these files. First I got a video of Matthew playing, and I've also got the audio files. And yeah, I'm gonna show you the video of him playing, and then I'm gonna top it off with some bass lines that I haven't really nailed yet, but yeah, it's kind of a jam. So I hope you guys enjoy. Alright, so I'm in Logic now, and I just made a simple MIDI drum track. It sounds like this. And yeah, the nice thing here is I can tune the drum kit a little bit so it sounds a bit more like the Sungura stuff. The hi-hat can be really bright. It's higher pitch on the hi-hat. Yeah, that's fine. So then the drums sounds like this. And then Matthew's guitars were they were recorded with no effects. So without the effect, it sounds like this. And then I have some settings here. Let me switch them on. And then we have a sound which I think is more like the classic Sungura stuff. I'm sorry for just recording the screen with the camera. That's not really professional, but I wanted to do this quickly. And then we have the second guitar, and just out of the box it sounded like this. Crisp and bright. So I've just added some settings here, so now it sounds like this. and I've panned them left and right, which you will hear in a minute. Together, the two guitars are now like this. Okay, so with the drums, yeah, so those are the guitar lines from Matthew, and it's time to add some bass. Man, I love those guitar lines, Matthew. So, thanks everyone for watching. I'll see you in the next one.